Kata Busha Pra Upakut or Pra Buakim. Pra Buakim or Pra Upakut is an arahant who in legend is said to be living under the sea until the end of human times, of human suffering, and wears a lotus leaf on top of his head. In the Burmese style of statues, you will see him wearing the lotus leaf on top of his head, which has the stem pointing up like a needle, which is why they call him Pra Buakim. Buakim means lotus, needle lotus. And it's because of the lotus leaf he wears over his head. And he's supposed to be sitting at the bottom of the ocean. And most people who have the Pra Upakut amulet, if they wear the amulet or not, or if they have a statue, they will have the practice of placing the amulet within the center of a bowl of water for performing busha. But you don't have to. You can hold the amulet between your hands to your forehead when you chant. And so, the first kata, busha Pra Upakut, and it's the only one you need, but there are other ones. So this particular podcast is Kata Busha Pra Upakut, main kata, after which I will publish subsequent ones for specific purposes or variants, which you should not allow to confuse you because any of them will do, and this is the traditional one. So syllable for syllable first, slowly. Ubpakudt Mahā Thērō Samputtē na Wiyāgadtō Māranja Māra Palanja Sodt ni Mahā Thērō na Dtawā Bpadti Dithō Ahang Wantāmi Itānēwa Dtang Mahā Thērang yang Ubpa Tawang Chādtang Witang Sēdti Sadtō Mahā Lāpang Phawandtumē. And you chant this kata. It is believed to chant the kata Pra Upakut every day, or Pra Buakim, will bestow great blessings and bring lucky, wealthy fortunes. So no lack of possessions or money flowing in and treasures, because Pra Upakut, seen eating from the alms bowl, is one of the postures, is always provided with the four requisites, meaning medicine, food, place to a roof over your head, and so on, and clothing. And so you will never go without those and always have plentiful, and protect you from all kinds of dangers, evade deadly accidents, poisonous animals, and black magic, demons, ghosts, and so on. And also Metta Mahani, or mercy charm, for the great preferential treatment of for people to feel sorry for you and lean in your favor, decide in your favor. This is, of course, as with all things, a matter of personal belief. And when I make these podcasts, I always like to make that clear, that the path I teach of Vipassana Kamatan, of the Buddha's path to enlightenment, is a different teaching to that of translating and providing the kata for busha to amulets and various arahants, deities, and so on, and that each person must decide for themselves which are valid and which are of use, and which are of academic interest, and which are of the type that will bring you results in your life. My job is to translate and provide you with the information, not to adhere myself to everything which I publish. And now, one time faster and rhythmically chanted, Kata Busha Pra Upakut, Pra Upakut, or Pra Upakut. Ubpakudt Mahā Thērō Samputtē na Wiyāgadtō Māranja Māra Palanja Itānēwa Thērō na Dtawā Bpadti Dithō Ahang Wantāmi Itānēwa Ubpakudt Mahā Thērang Yang Ubpa Tawang Chādtang Witang Sēdti Sadtō Mahā Lāpang Phawandtumē. One more time. Ubpakudt Mahā Thērō Samputtē na Wiyāgadtō Māranja Māra Palanja Itānēwa Thērō na Dtawā Bpadti Dithō Ahang Wantāmi Itānēwa Ubpakudt Mahā Thērang Yang Ubpa Tawang Chādtang Witang Sēdti Sadtō Mahā Lāpang Phawandtumē. And that was the main daily kata for Busha to Pra Upakut or Pra Upakut. Ajahn Spencer for the Buddha Magic Project, signing off.